think the Stovit Summer Course and Prosthodontic Summer Camp is a very exciting event for me and I'm really grateful that I'm able to represent my country, Malaysia, to join this program.
I really love being here and being part of the event. It's taught us things that I've never seen back in England.
The most memorable part for me are the ones that we went to the school for children and we teach them about oral hygiene.
So everything was amazing, but the cultural night, it was like unforgettable memory for me.
Cultural night.
The cultural night.
Most memorable part is Mountain Bromo. I've never been to a place like this. It's magical.
This experience is very memorable to me, and this event in general is one of the most unique experience I've ever had, and I would like to recommend it to all of my juniors or senior in my school if possible.
And also give experience in culture or many things in Indonesia and got a friendship from another country.